First and foremost, I just wanted a good roof, one that didn't leak anymore and had a couple leaks. So I wanted to make sure that I got a good roof. The ThermaDeck was an investment and an upgrade. And really my expectations is that my energy bills would be reduced and I would be more efficient in using the air conditioning, in the summer, as well as holding the heat in the winter. I'm excited to see it. When I was talking to Billy Ellis out here the other day, one of the things he'd shared with me is in the attic, the temperature's rising. And I remember next year, I just bought a new train and that thing was running constantly. And when I'd go upstairs, it was hard to get the air conditioning to kick below 75 degrees and it was struggling to do so. So I'm really anxious for summer to come around and really see how the ThermaDeck makes a difference as far as the attic cooling off and the overall improvement as far as the air conditioning working as well. So far it's going great. It's been a great process watching. I didn't realize how much goes into a roof and the roofing products and the technology and advancements that they've had over time. In the past my roof had blistered and that was part of the reason why the roof wasn't working as well. The other thing that I'm looking for out of the ThermaDeck is to make sure those conditions inside the attic again don't have the convection where it goes and melts down the shingles. The energy costs have not been an issue at the house. Usually the winter it will spike and midsummer it will spike. But again, I've had a lot of different people come out here and make the promises with air conditioners and other services that they could reduce the cost by 20 to 40%. So when I first heard that, I was very skeptical and really pushed Terry and did a lot of research on it. I actually got to speak with Billy Ellis himself the other day as well. And again, from all of the research, the studies that they've shown, it really did make me want to buy into this. And this summer we'll see how the bills go. Billy Ellis had asked me to go ahead and get the last 2 years of my electric bills, and we're going to do a comparison of those versus the next 12 months and see what the true cost savings are. Billy was telling me out here the other day that the DOE was looking into this product, and he stated that 97% of the radiant energy was repelled by this product and stood by the testing and what the Department of Energy had awarded them as far as being able to reduce your cost by 20 to 40%. And really having that kind of evidence support what they were saying was probably one of the primary reasons that I went with this product. The one process that really stood out to me was the entire sales process, as I had a lot of different roofers come out here and pitch their companies. Not only was his sales approach very comfortable, but he knew his products extremely well, he knew competitor products extremely well, and he did the questioning that was appropriate to understand what I was trying to achieve as an overall goal staying in this house. So I think the sales process, especially since I run a team of salespeople, was the thing that really appealed to me. It wasn't something I was expecting from a roofing company, but again, made a very natural sales process, and hopefully the final outcome will live up to all the expectations. The other thing about the process that worked really well, and I think is instrumental when you're looking at a roofing company, is the fact that you have somebody that can work with insurance. I didn't realize what a complicated process it was to work with the insurance agency, and it really took me about 3 months with my insurance agency to try to walk through getting a new roof. I just think it's a great innovation. I look forward to seeing the ThermaDeck once it's in there, the energy bills, the cost savings, and again, most importantly, to have a roof up there that's not leaking into my house and protecting the biggest investment that we have. So I'm looking forward to the roof being a great roof for the next 30, 40 years.